At BlueTex Insulation, we claim that our material is both tear-proof and puncture-resistant. And when we say that, we mean it. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate just how strong and durable it really is. We're going to use 6 screws and washers and attach this BlueTex to this wood frame. Then we're going to put some heavy dumbbells on it, and you're going to see just how strong it is. And here's a 40-pound dumbbell just to show you how strong and durable it is. Now, you can see it stretching a little bit, but it won't tear. Oh wait, here's another 40-pound dumbbell. Let's double it up. Look at that. It's not tearing. That is BlueTex insulation, tear-proof and puncture-resistant. Now I'm going to show you how it's puncture-resistant. Now I'm going to show you traditional bubble foil and show you the difference in how strong and durable this is compared to the BlueTex. Now this is a traditional bubble foil product. How puncture resistant? For more information, visit BlueTexInsulation.com and be sure to order your free sample kit.